What if you had access to product donations from America's top brands that allowed you to achieve your mission, expand the work you do to help people in need, and increase the social good you are doing in your community? At Good 360, we are redefining charitable giving by creating a circle of good that includes companies, charities, and individuals working together to make the business of giving simpler, more efficient, and more effective. With top corporate partners and tens of thousands of nonprofit members all over the country, we are able to distribute, on average, more than $300 million in products each year to children, veterans, families, disaster relief efforts, and more. Joining our Circle of Good is easy. Once you have filled out the application, you will create an online profile that will spotlight your nonprofit's mission and needs. Good 360's online donation catalog will give you access to thousands of product donations from businesses large and small to help you better serve your communities and achieve your mission. Donations range from toys and school supplies to computers and mattresses. Rally your community by asking them to contribute cash donations to your wish lists to cover shipping and processing costs for the donations you need. Or use our handy mapping feature to find a retail store pickup program right in your neighborhood. Once you have received your donations, log back in to share the good. You can easily upload photos, videos, and stories so that the businesses who donated will see the impact they had on your community. So what are you waiting for? You're one degree closer to the Good 360 Circle of Good.